Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox image ID. First, open your web browser and go to the Roblox Create page. Once there, find the Creations tab and select Decals. You will then click Choose File to pick an image from your device. Remember, your image should be a common format like JPG or PNG and under 10 megabytes in size. This initial step is crucial for getting your image into the Roblox system. After selecting your image, you will need to give it a descriptive name. This name helps you and others identify the image later. Once named, click the Upload button. Roblox will then begin processing your image. This review period usually takes just a few minutes, but it ensures all content meets their community standards. Patience here is key, as the system works to make your image available. Once your image is approved, return to the Decals page. You will see your uploaded image listed there. Click on its thumbnail to open its individual page. Look at the web address or URL in your browser's address bar. Within this URL, you will find a unique sequence of numbers. This is your image ID. Carefully copy this number, as it is essential for integrating your image into games. Now that you have your image ID, open Roblox Studio and load the game you are working on. You can use this ID for various purposes, such as applying textures to parts, creating custom user interface elements, or adding other visual assets. Simply paste the copied ID into the relevant property field. Always remember to test your game afterward to ensure the image appears exactly as you intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.